Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, guys, I'm going to show you guys, that's right, how to make the best ever pot roast in a skillet in the oven. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. First of all, this is what's going to make it the best. Right here, this red wine right here, this Cabernet wine. All right, and we're going to use some of this right here, this Nor bouillon. We're going to add us like 2 cups of water, or like 1.5 cups of water of that. We're going to come in with some garlic, like a teaspoon of garlic. So it's total tablespoon of each, tablespoon of thyme. We're going to come with some Kinder. This is Kinder, caramelized onion and burger. Then we're going to come in with some of this grease right here, because we got to sear it. We got some onions, our 1 whole onion, and we got some coarse sea salt right here, guys. Alright? Alright, let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. Season it up first. Get some water in here. 1.5 cups of that. Alright, there's 1.5 cups of that. We're going to come in here with some this Nor. Well, roughly like a tablespoon. So I'm just getting this prepped up, okay? That's all that is. All that is right there. I'm going to just sit that to the side. Put that over here. That's going to cool off. I'm going to put 1 cup of that wine in that also. We're going to go ahead and start with the start of the show, the chuck roast. Come in here with some kosher salt. This is coarse sea salt. We don't need a whole lot of it. We're coming with some granulated onion. A teaspoon for each side. Alright. Some of this we're gonna come with some of this thyme. Okay, that's about a teaspoon. Some of this Kinder. Alright. And we're just going to massage this in here. Just like that. Make sure you get it down there in the meat. I did let my meat sit out for about a good hour. It got room temperature. And we're going to take this. We're going to put it on this flour. This is like 1 cup of flour, all purpose. Alright. And we're going to season this side. We're going to sear it. And we're going to leave it in that skillet. That's what I mean by in the skillet. But done in the oven. Alright. Alright. And all we're going to do is just press down on that, massage that in there, or whatever the case may be. Alright. Just going to flip that over, guys. And then we're going to take this bad boy to the skillet and sear this up. Alright. And it's going to make its own gravy. So I like to press down on that. Alright, see you guys over there at the oven in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We're just going to take out some of this butter. So this is roughly like a tablespoon. You can use olive oil if you want to, guys. I'm just going to use some of this butter. You're going to take your chuck roast. I'm on medium heat. Just going to lay that in there. And we're going to reserve this flour as well. So you want to sear this. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We just searing it, locking in all them juices. That's all we doing. So after this sear on that side, we're going to flip it over and sear the other side. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm just going to go ahead and flip this. Like so. Alright, when it gets done cooking on that side, we're going to take our onions and all that stuff and put it up in here. And then we're going to put our steak in there with our broth and our wine. See guys, when it gets done, the other side gets done in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'll just throw a little bit more butter in here. Don't worry about all the little black specks and all that stuff. All that stuff we'll cook it. Alright. We're going to take our flour. Let's run about a couple tablespoons there. 3 tablespoons. And all we're doing here, we're just cooking this so it won't be pasty like. Okay? Take our onions, put that in there. Alright. Just cooking these onions just enough to release some of its natural flavors. Alright. Now we're going to come back in here with our steak, our roast. Just like that. See it right there on the bed of them onions. We're going to take our broth. Gonna pour that on it, like so. And we need a cup of red wine. This is my red wine, like so. And since it's gonna cook on low for about a couple of hours, we're gonna put some water in there, like a half cup of that. All right. Alright guys, we're going to wrap this up, put it in the oven, and we're going to let this cook on 350 for 2 hours. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I just took this out the oven. I said it was going to cook for like 2 hours and a half or whatever. But it's been in here for about 3 hours. We're going to check on this, see what it do. Yep, as you can see, it's breaking apart. Okay. So, what I am going to do is I'm going to put a little bit more water in here. Let me take this gravy. Oh my goodness. Tastes super delicious. No lie to you. Put some. It does taste super good. Look, I got a spoon. See that? Just like that. Okay. That's how that looks. See if I can show you that up close. This is actually done. Super done. Not gonna lie to you. But I'm gonna put it in there for another 45 minutes and let this cook. And I'm gonna show you how this look. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay guys, I'm finally done with the best ever pot roast in the oven. Alright? And this what made it the best right here, this wine. And guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the second roast I made. The roast was that good, I ate a whole roast by myself making sandwiches. But it's still the same, I mean it's not the same roast, but I still used the gravy from the other roast. But I cook it the same way. And it took me about 3 hours to cook that roast. Alright? So I'm gonna show you that, how that looks up close. And I got some candied carrots over here with some orange. I put orange and lime in it, and brown sugar and butter. That's what I did to that. Got some bread right here, some butter bread, and some homemade mashed potatoes. Just right here. All right. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, and please give me a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit this bell for me, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love. Happy cooking.